Hello ladies. In keeping with my blog post about daycare, I would like to say a few words about the advantage of keeping your children home and being their main caregiver. For one thing, these children are going to develop more individually when they're not always in a group that's outside of their own family. In Ephesians 6 and Deuteronomy 6, you can easily remember that because they're both chapter 6 for some reason, but they deal with who is in charge of the children's learning and nurturing and guidance, and it's always the parents. The individual is best served in the home. The mother is the best teacher. Even if you don't have confidence at first, you develop it by raising your own children and having your own children in your home with you. You can include them in your life. Some ladies have taken the little baby bassinet, pulled it around the house as they cleaned or did housework. There's no reason to take your children to daycare so that you can have time off. What you do is you get your children used to doing what you do and going where you go and being part of your life, and you'll be bonded together. You break a natural bonding and you encourage this break the more time you have your children spend away from home and away from you, away from their brothers and sisters, away from their parents and their home setting. Children need lots and lots of time, and they spend a lot of time staring. They spend a lot of time thinking, and this needs to be encouraged by letting them stay at home and take their time, not rushing them off from place to place. Another thing you might want to consider is that you will grow into a person who has more knowledge the more you take care of your own children. There's a lot more that can be said about this, even though the world is saying this is normal. To put children in another group outside their home when they're small does not mean that you have to do it. And of course, we always want to do what is best for our children and for ourselves more than trying to please other people. So please be aware of the advantages of having your children at home where they can develop their talents, where you can instill your knowledge into them and use your head to develop their head. And how in the world can these children ever relate to you as parents or to their brothers and sisters if they're not with you all day? How can you train up your child if they're not in your house, if they're not with you? These are just some things to be aware of, and those of us who have had some experience can tell that anytime we've had to leave our children, we have seen a difference in them when we're back with them. They do detach. Let's be careful that we do not break the natural bonding that God put there. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.